Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Stepanov, and as I promised in previous videos, now I'm publishing the beautiful nail design with patterns and nude color. This is the infill of gel nails, and as you can see I have already removed the gel and placing the new sculpting mixed gel. As you can see, it's very easy to work with this product, while infill gel nails, because it's alleging very fast, we don't need to shape them at all. It's now it's popular to do nails fast and don't shape nails. There are a lot of products self-alleging which allow you to apply this product very neatly. My brother Andrew now is working with a vintage gel brush. On the last phases of your work, you can remove the cuticles using nippers and apply the final shaping of these gel nails with the 100 grit file. Why do I use low grit files? Just because it's much faster than to use higher grit, because the hard product is not easy to shape using such buffers. That's why my first choice is 100 grit file or 80 grit file. And also I prefer flat nail files, not rounded, especially for long nails. Of course, it's much easier to shape nails in cuticles area using the rounded side of brush. I agree, but when we work with the long nails, it's more flat brush is more effective. A lot of my clients, they have long nails. Do you want me to publish such tutorials with long nails? I will definitely do it if you like such nail designs and such work. Now it's popular now in Russia, short nails with the gel polish, but last 2 years the trend is changing, and the trends from United States, Europe, some trends are coming to Russia, because a lot of celebrates, they live with long nails, and of course people want to look like them. That's why many of people ask their masters to do long nails, and of course long nails will always be more attract attention of people more than short nails. It's not easy to create short nails that would attract everybody's attention. It should be, in this case, very vibrant nails or neon colors. You see me working with the gel paint, and as you can see, it's very pigmented. It's very pigmented color. I have already prepared this color, mixing white gel paint for the French manicure. It's available on shapeofnail.com with democratic price. So I mixed white gel paint with 1 drop of pink gel paint, 1 drop of blue gel paint, and 1 drop of yellow gel paint. Drops can be of any brands, no matter. Everything you have. And this way we achieve such beautiful color. Of course, you can see that why just can't you use already mixed tones, such nude colors. You know, if you are experienced nail technician, if you have a lot of experience, you should understand that it's rare when we have such pigmented gel paint of these colors. Manufacturers, you always make them a little bit transparent because we have problems with polymerizing in LED lamp. Sometimes nail masters don't curve products as it's needed, and that's why clients have a lot of liftings. So you should be responsible for what technique you use and how long you ask to curve product your clients. Just because you can lose your clients if the product is not curved as it's needed properly. If the gel paint or the sculpting mix gel has a lot of pigment, you should curve it longer than in case when the product is semi-transparent, or apply thin layers. Now you see me working with the black acrylic paint. It's very easy to draw such patterns with acrylic paint because we have such thin details. Don't forget to mix it with the water, the density of milk. You know, it's not easy to draw such detailed compositions when you simultaneously make the record. If you, of course, want to make a very close shot, in this case it's not easy to draw. That's why a lot of nail masters who used to create very difficult compositions and paintings, they don't make records of it because it's hard to make compilations of shots. It's hard to draw such detailed things, but I used to do it because I make records more than 6 or 7 years, make records of my work. I started in about 9 years ago to make videos or records. It was courses worldwide courses of one stroke technique. Maybe someone of you, my subscribers, maybe someone was my student. If there are some students from those courses, please let me know down in the comments. It would be great pleasure for me to meet my students who attended my classes 10 years ago. By the way, I have new classes for the beginners. There will be started on 10th of November. This will be amazing courses for those who want to start his or her career in this industry. I will give you my experience, a lot of tips. Then program will be shown step by step in very close shots with all details. I have already published some shots of these courses on my Instagram account or YouTube, and you could see that we made great work to create such courses. I think that for the beginner, it should be, every beginner should attend these classes. As you see me working with the matte top coat, and this will be the best decision for this nail design. I think that with the matte effect, it would be very beautiful. This is the simple matte top coat with violet effect. We're applying thin layer and cure it 1 minute in LED lamp. It has no sticky layer. So, are you ready for the InShots? Let's check out my work. If you like this nail design and my video, don't forget to click like button and subscribe to my channel. For you guys, I'm publishing every day new videos with tutorials how I do my day-to-day clients, so you can learn something and see new nail designs which are actual now. Like this. It's simple and beautiful. I like simple nail designs. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.